Yeah, I know. You lot all think I should be playing with trains. You don't think I should be repairing the back wall of the house so the house doesn't fall down. You don't think I should be watering tomatoes so that I can eat. You just think I should be playing with trains. Well, take a good look at this. Horrible, isn't it? I don't know what it's horrible. Let's work some magic. Yeah, that's a little bit nicer, isn't it? The orrible black. I think it was something like cosmoline, or one of those sort of greases that you pack things in to stop them going rusty. That's taken 35 minutes with white spirit and kitchen towel to get it like this, but isn't that just a lot nicer? Little issues, the rivets that hold the dummy cylinders, they fouled, so that's got to be sorted out. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that yet, whether I'm going to cheat and use araldite to fix the block back on. Someone has cheated and used what looks like blue tack. Oh, yeah, I guess blue tack is never really going to do the job, but of course what I should do is drill out the rivets and re-rivet it, but I think we'll just use some araldite and do that. But there we are, a lot nicer.